Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Install the voice assistant app and grant microphone access so it can hear you. Once done, sign into your account and enable sync or backup to keep preferences consistent across devices. Make sure to perform an immediate mic test, speak one sentence, and check the visual waveform or input meter. Doing this now prevents permission errors later. If the app asks for language or region, pick the option that matches your pronunciation and usage patterns. Now you configure the app for accurate results and deeper integrations. First, set language, voice profile, and wake word sensitivity so the assistant responds reliably. Lower sensitivity reduces false activations. Next, train the voice model by reading 5 to 10 prompts aloud. This teaches the system your cadence and reduces recognition errors. Then link external services, calendar, smart home, and music accounts, so commands trigger actions. As you connect each service, test one representative command to confirm permission flows and expected behavior. Finish by using and automating the assistant to save time. You create routines or shortcuts for common tasks, set one routine, then test it immediately to ensure triggers and actions run. Make concise, natural commands and listen for confirmations. If responses are wrong, adjust wake word sensitivity or rephrase. If something breaks, first reboot the app and device, then rerun voice training. Also verify microphone and background permissions, and check your network connection. These steps fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.